Hello everyone, welcome to the series of the lectures on database systems. In this video, we will continue talking about the data definition language, and we will talk about how to alter or change the table definition. So changing or altering table definition, we have actually the alter table command, and this is the command that is used to change or modify the definition of the existing table. So ISO provides this also alter table command or alter table statement to modify the table structure of existing table. And actually the ISO standard specifies 6 options for altering the table. First of all, you can actually add a new column to the table. So a new column will be added to the table. You can also actually drop a column from the table, or you can say remove a particular column from the existing table. You can actually add a new constraint on the table. You can actually drop a table constraint. You can also set a default value for a column. So it will be the default value for a particular column. Finally, you can also drop the default value for a column. So you can remove the default value for any column. So these are the 6 possible options by which you can actually alter or modify the definition. Sometimes you may want to add an extra column to the table. Sometimes you may want to remove an unwanted column from the table. Sometimes you might want to add or modify the constraints, and you can also want to change the column defaults. So let's see some few examples on altering the table. So for example, we have a table, and above table I will show here. So we have this table, and then in this table definition we have certain columns. So note here the column salary. The type of the column is numeric, and its default value is 10,000, and it is also not null. So to alter the definition of a table, as an example, for example, we want to remove the default value of 10,000 for the salary column in the table employee. So to do this, we just need to write this command, and this will do the job. So alter table is the keyword, and the name of the table is employee, and then we have the modify keyword. After the modify keyword, we have the name of the column, which is salary, and then there is a keyword default, and we set it to null. Note that the default can only be set to null. So what this statement says is that it wants to modify the existing table employee, and the modification is actually on the salary column, and the actual modification is that its default value should be set to null. So after this command, whenever a new row is added and no value is specified for the column salary, it actually will be null. And note that this column is specified as not null. So you may also want to take care for this constraint also. However, for the sake of the example, if there is no not null constraint, this is the thing to do the job. And as another example, for example, it is also possible to change the default value. For example, the default value for the column gender is M. Let's see. So this is the definition of the gender column. Here we see that gender has the default value of M, and we can actually change this. So to do this, we just need to write this command, and this command is mostly same as the previous one. It says that we want to alter the table named employee, and we want to modify the column gender, and we want to set the default value of this column to F. So as the command reads, the action is actually evident from the reading the command. Alter table employee modify the gender column, set default value to F. So altering the table is quite easy and also useful, especially useful when you you have specified the table and there is a data in the table and you want to modify the structure of the table without actually affecting the data. If you don't care about the data, simply you can just delete the table at all and create a new table. But mostly in production it is not possible because the table has values, so you cannot actually remove the table at all. You can only change the table structure. So alter table command comes handy in these situations. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching and please keep watching.